Hey guys, there's an interesting market situation on 75 index. So I would want us to have a market analysis. I would want us to have a look on this index together in today's video, right? So coming to the weekly time frame or the monthly time frame, would say we have an important market structure which we have to take note of, right? We have to take note of this market formation and look out for trade opportunities. So on this index, we can see that we got the levels and zones at this point. We had this level as an important level basically, because we got price sell from here as a resistance. The sells here. There was a buy on this level. Currently there was a retest here, like a level of support broken, turned resistance, and we're getting these rejections. These sells, right, these monthly sells you're getting here is a result of market rejections from this zone, is a result of market approach on this broken level of support, now turned resistance. We also have another level at this point which we have to spot. So basically we can say that for price not to give a retest immediately it's got to this level, it's pushed further. It's actually pushed further to come test this main key level, because this was a powerful level, an important level, would say. We kind of got a retest of this broken level, broken key level here, level of support, broken turn resistance, as well as this reversal patterns formation. This is a double top formation, right? We got the first highs here and the second highs at this point. So we actually got the retest of the neckline at this zone, which we are getting the sells from. So we can say that the sells is expected long term on 75 index, and we have the lowest lows of this index at this zone. So are we to get markets sell to this level to come fill up this gap? That's the question right now. And we have the previous lows here, right? Previous lows at this point. We'd say the recent lows as well, because we got market reaction on this level as a support. We got the buys here, the buys here, the buys there. So technically we could get short-term buy opportunity if market is to come to this identified zone on the monthly time frame. So let's go to the weekly time frame to have a view on this index as well. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that there was a consolidation here, which market was in for a period of time. We got price consolidate for weeks and months in this zone before we got the breakout of this consolidation. Price broke out to the upside, came to test this level, this identified level, and we're getting the sells here. These sells we're getting at this point is a result of a market retest of this identified level. So what are we to expect of this index? Are we to get price come retest this consolidation resistance level? Because on consolidations we have our support level and our resistance level. So here we got the consolidation resistance level and the consolidation support level, right? So this is the resistance level here and this is the support level at this zone. So there's a possibility of markets coming to retest this consolidation resistance level, broken resistance turned support. So here on the daily time frame, there's a possibility of a retest of this broken level of resistance. All right, we could get price sell to this level to come retest this broken resistance level in the coming days and hours, would say, because we got this level as a key level. Markets has always reacted on this level. We've got price sell on the retest of this level a couple of times. So you got the first sells here, resistance, 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 resistance here. Before price broke above this level, we gave the retest on it as a resistance broken turn support. So we got this little retest here. So actually market is likely to come give a proper retest of this level, like to give a proper retest for the buy continuation to the upside. Because when we bring up our Fibonacci 2 for more confirmations on this identified level, from the swing highs, from the swing lows to the swing highs, we can tell that this level, this identified level, is matching up with this 1.8 Fibonacci retracement level, which is a good retracement point. So you could get price sell to this zone for the buy continuation in the coming hours and days on 75 index. So that's my long-term view, that's my point of focus, my area of concentration on this index. So I'm waiting patiently for market to sell to that identified zone for the buys on 75 index. So for price to come to this zone, we will definitely get the sells to the downside. So how we to take advantage of this sell opportunity? When we look at this overall market direction, we can see that market is in a downtrend, basically creating lower highs and lower lows, heading to the downside. So we got our levels and zones, which we have to spot and identify as well, right? We got this level as level of support, broken, turned resistance. We got the retest on it, and the sells to the downside at this point. There was a break of this level of support, resistance here, the sells to the downside, because market is in downtrend, so we should focus on the sell side of the market, right? So on the retest of this level, we got price sell to the downside, and we got under level at this point as well, which we have to pay attention to. More sales still expected on this index, right? I'm expecting market to sell from this zone to the downside, so I'm likely to look out for sell opportunities on this index, right? I'm likely to look at sell opportunities on 75 index in the coming hours and minutes. So we have this little uptrend, which price is yet to break below. So if I can get a proper break and close below this level, then I'll be shorting 75 index. This is like an ascending channel basically. So I'm looking out for sell opportunities from this current price level to the downside on 75 index. So more sales expected. That's my view and market analysis basically. So I'll be watching closely on market price action on a lower time frame to sell this index. So my entry strategy would be on the break and close below this neckline. This is a reversal pattern formation, a head and shoulders pattern formation. So if price can break below this head, so this is the left shoulder here, the head at this point, and the right shoulder at this zone. So if price can break below the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern, then we'll be getting the sells on this index. A break and close below this level, then I'll be shorting this index. I'll be taking the sell. So I'm watching close on market position on this index to sell this trade. So I'll give you guys an update on how this trade played out if I'm to take the sales, right? And I'll be having my stop loss at this point. My TP level would be based on the levels and zones we got market react on. So this is likely to be my first TP level, right? At that point, my second TP level would be at this zone, and my third TP level would likely be at this point, right? But long-term sales still expected despite having these short TP zones, right? Long-term sales still expected on 75 index, at least to this level of support, this consolidation resistance level broken, right? Just to get price come retest this level in the coming days and weeks on 75 index. So that's it, guys. Smash the like button for more market analysis like this, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and definitely.